Garnishes should have relevance to the cocktail, whether enhancing the flavor or the aroma. I'm now going to demonstrate specialty garnishes. We're going to start with a large orange zest. What you want to do is just take the knife along the peel, getting as much of the zest and as little as the pith as possible. Be sure to save your used fruit because you can always use it for juicing. And then you just take the peel over the glass and squeeze all of the oils out. Now I'm going to demonstrate the long lemon spiral. It's important to do this garnish over the glass so you get all of the oils on top of the cocktail. Take a channel knife and just go all the way around the lemon. Coil it up, squeeze it at the end, set it over the glass, and garnish.